Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. In this video, I'm going to provide you with most update business or best loan apps for students in Nigeria today, where you can acquire immediate loan for personal or commercial purpose, because these are loan apps which of course you can definitely apply for and use them at the comfort of your home without any issue. And you all know borrowing money from a friend might appear to be the best option at times, but keep in mind that we all live in a time when nothing is simple, as most of your friends might not have any fund with you to lend you. So in other than that, using any loan platform to borrow loan online will be the great option you ever take to get a loan as quick as possible in Nigeria, and then you can pay back at when you choose to or agree to pay back the loan which you borrow from the app. And would you like to know the best loan app which you of course can use to get started on a business? So let me know through the comment section. But basically in this video will be about getting a loan for a student in Nigeria, which you will definitely be able to use it to sort out some small bills for yourself, and you can pay back anytime you want, as it was stated on any of the loan app which you are going to be using. So you choose the best option for you to pay back the loan which you borrow from the platform, and that will be the best thing you have ever do. So let's get started to the next one and see how it works. Now Money is one of the best loan app for students here in Nigeria today, and they offer a loan of up to 5,000 naira to 50,000 naira to students if they are very much interested in getting a loan to sort out on small bills. And this loan app is very easy for everyone to use, as long as you are in Nigeria and you have all it takes. You have your BVN with you and you have your phone number as well. These are the things that this loan app is going to request from you, and then they will be able to grant you a loan as fast as possible. And you can also use this loan app to get data bundles and some other bills, which of course you might also be interested in using the app without any extra charges from your end, just like you using mobile banking. So they won't charge you any extra fee if you are using the app to send out money to friends or relatives. Ninja Cash is number 2 loan apps for business or students in Nigeria, and if you are interested in getting a loan as a student, you'll be able to get a loan of up to 60,000 naira for student purpose. And if you are using it to borrow a loan for business, you have access to borrow a loan of up to 500,000 naira with Ninja Cash. But basically, if you are using this app to borrow a loan for student purpose, I suggest you borrow a loan of less than 30,000 naira. Due to the interest rate, as a student, you might not be able to afford the interest rate which you would like, which the app will give you. So getting a loan of up to 30,000 naira would be great, and then they will also charge you a very low interest rate that will not affect you anytime you actually want to pay back the loan you borrow from the platform. Number 3 loan app for students in Nigeria is Lyra Plus. Lyra Plus is another loan platform in Nigeria which offers students a loan and then grants them as much time as possible for them to pay back the loan they borrow from the app. And it will only take you 3 steps to get a loan from this platform by submitting your information, which is your BVN, your phone number, your age, probably you provided your any means of ID card. Then they'll process your application, and after all your information have been verified, then they will disburse a loan direct to your bank account. It's quite easy to get a loan from Lyra Plus. As long as you are eligible and you are from Nigeria, you will be able to get a loan as fast as possible in Nigeria with Lyra Plus. You can check out the app on Google Play Store today and download the app to get the next loan for yourself and to sort out any bills you would like to get. The number 4 loan app we'll be looking at is Link Loan. which is one of the safe loan here in Nigeria, and it's very new loan app in Nigeria today. As you can see, for a business purpose you can get a loan of up to 300,000 naira, and for students you can get a loan of up to 50,000 naira without them asking for more information from you, without getting or just buzzing out a loan to your bank account. It's quite easy to get a loan from Link Loan, and it already have over 100,000 downloads and 1,000 reviews so far. You can also scroll down to see how many reviews people have dropped about this platform and what people are actually saying about this loan app. So then you'll be able to choose if this app will definitely give you a loan as a student or not. Cash Ninja is another loan app in Nigeria today, which is one of the best loan app for students. And with this loan app, you can get a loan of up to 100,000 naira as a student. It's quite easy to get a loan, and a friend of mine have also used this loan platform to get a loan for himself after he have some issue with money. So he used this particular loan app and he was able to get the loan as fast as possible. The loan platform is very flexible, it saves times, and they quick in cross-checking information before disbursing a loan to any users who actually request for a loan from them. So it's quite easy. If you want to get a loan as a student, you can download this Cash Ninja Naira loan app from Google Play Store, and then you'll be able to get a loan as fast as possible. Soft Naira is another great loan app, and then people have been dropping reviews on this loan app so far based on their experience about this platform. And for business purpose, they can get a loan of up to 1 million naira, and then for students you can get a loan of up to 100,000 naira. And it all depends on the kind of information you provided. Probably you provided your BVN, phone number, and any means of ID card. With this is what they would definitely use to process your loan application process, and then you'll be able to get a loan as fast as possible if your application is granted. And you can get a loan direct to your bank account after all the information has been approved. So it's quite easy to get a loan from any of these loan apps in Nigeria as a student. But make sure you agree to the terms and conditions on any of this loan app, which is very, very important. Don't breach the terms and conditions, because it will affect you in the long run. So make sure you follow all the information, all the rules and regulations laid down by any of this loan app which you are going to be using, and then I'm very sure you'll be able to get a loan as fast as possible from any of this loan app. This is all I have for you as a student. If you are looking for the best loan apps in Nigeria which you can actually use to borrow a loan, so you can check out any of them and let me know through the comment section which one actually worked best for you. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel as it's really means a lot to me and you. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.